What kind of people do you like best? How do people fall in love?
How important is money to you?
Hi everyone!
Hi there.
Today we are going to talk about people. As always, you can read the text in PDF, which you can find in the description. Follow our podcasts on iTunes and Yandex Music. For more new dialogues, please subscribe to our channel. So, Renat, are people strange?
Yes, they are strange indeed.
Okay. What's the worst thing about people?
I think that the worst thing is that we can't live in peace. How many wars did we make? How many people died in these wars? That's terrible.
Okay. What are people best at?
People can create really wonderful things in arts, music, technologies, science. So people are the best in many different fields.
Okay. Why do people dislike each other so much?
That's a good question. I read a good book called The Clash of Civilizations by Samuel Huntington. In this book, he's trying to find the answer to this question. I really recommend it to everyone. Shortly to say, we are different, so we just can't live in peace.
Okay. Do people ever confuse you with other people?
No, they don't. At least I can't remember anything like that. I'm not similar to anybody.
Yeah, you're the one.
Yeah.
Do guns kill people or do people kill people?
I think that people can kill people.
Agree.
Yeah, guns are only a tool which was made by people actually. So, as I said, we are strange.
What kind of people do you like best?
I like polite people that are interesting to talk with.
Okay. What kind of people do you get fed up with?
I get fed up with really empty people that do nothing useful for this world. There are many of them on YouTube, by the way. I also don't like people who boast too much and arrogant people. They are so funny to me.
Okay. What different kinds of groups of people can you think of?
Men, women, white, black, rich, poor, what else? Smart, dumb, and so on.
Okay. When can we use persons instead of people in English?
For me, these words are pretty much the same. People is a more general word. Persons are people with some personal features, I would say. For example, those salesmen from the supermarket are such good persons. I like them.
Okay, thanks for explanation.
Yeah. So, Anya, what are ordinary people? Do ordinary people vary from country to country?
Ordinary means plain and common people.
Right.
Yes, they vary from country to country, of course. Mentality is different.
Yeah, that's true. Anya, are you a morning person?
No, I don't like getting up too early. It's very difficult for me.
Yeah. Do you believe what people tell you?
I used to believe what people told me, but now I'm getting more and more careful. Maybe it's because of age. I don't know.
Right. What can we do to protect indigenous people around the world?
Stop killing each other. To be honest, I'm very disappointed in people. I think we will destroy each other one day.
Okay. Do you like reading about famous people?
Sometimes it depends on what they do.
Right.
I don't like gossips and yellow presses. It's better to follow some people you like on social networks.
Yeah.
Now it's very convenient.
Yeah, I agree. Are you a people person?
I don't know really. I think people need time to get used to me.
Okay,
I can't say that I'm a people person.
okay. What do you think of internet sites that help you find people?
I think it's a good way to stay in touch with people you know.
Right.
Also, some websites help people to find their partner.
Yeah,
I think it's not bad.
yeah. Which people are the best?
Our mothers.
Yeah, that's right. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. That was a small talk about people. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, of course, and follow our channel. Thank you very much once again, and see you later. Bye!
Bye! How and why do people fall out of love?
Hi, guys!
Hi!
Today we are going to talk about love. You can listen to the dialogue on Apple Podcasts and Yandex Music. PDF transcript is available on our website and in our Telegram channel. All the links in the description. So here we go.
So, Renat, what images spring to your mind when you hear the word love?
I imagine two people in love, how they value and support each other, how they make a family and tell their children how important it is to find someone who would share with you the rest of your life.
Oh, it's so nice. How important is love?
People can't live separately. We all need somebody. So, love is very important, of course.
Agree. Do you think it is possible to love everyone?
No, I don't think that it is possible. Moreover, I think that it's quite difficult to find the right person, actually.
True. How do people fall in love?
At first, people like each other and spend much time together. Then comes something more serious, and they understand that that's something more, that they love each other. It's not easy, actually.
True. How and why do people fall out of love?
It can be different for every couple, I think. Some people just understand that they don't love each other. Others might have some difficult circumstances which don't let them be together anymore. So it's different for everyone. That's life.
Yeah. What is your favorite love song and why?
I really like the song Sacrifice by Elton John.
Good choice.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's a very touching story told in the song, and he sings so well. I like it a lot.
I like it too. How does love make you feel?
Love is a nice feeling, making people do the most crazy things for another person. So it's like magic, I think. I can't even explain it, so
Okay. Does love last forever?
that's a very good question. I have thought about it many times and I still can't find the answer. So I don't know really.
Okay.
That's a hard question.
What does love look like?
It's beautiful, of course, very romantic, and it's like a good drug, I would say. Yeah, love is a good thing.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Definitely.
Has love changed over the past 10,000 years?
No, generally it hasn't changed. The world has changed, of course. Love did not.
Okay.
So, Anya, what is love?
Love is madness, and people need this madness a lot.
Right. What would your life be like without love?
I think it would be worse. I can't imagine my life without love.
So, you can't imagine your life without me?
definitely.
Okay. What does it feel like to say I love you?
It feels like a huge responsibility. It's not the empty words,
Right.
at least for me.
Yeah, for me too. Do you love to live or live to love?
I live to love, and I love to live.
Right. What kind of love is the best love?
I think a mother's love is the best one.
Right. Yeah. Is there a thin line between love and hate?
Yes, there is. It's wise words, and it's really how it is.
Right. Do you love yourself? Should you do that?
Yes, of course, I love myself, and I think it's very important to love yourself.
Yeah.
But you shouldn't be arrogant, and you should respect others as well.
What's the difference between love and being in love?
Being in love doesn't mean to love someone.
Right.
It takes some time to realize that you love someone.
Some person.
Yes, some person.
Yeah, of course. It takes a lot of time actually, because people.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Yeah, people are very different. Is it more important to love or be loved?
Both are important, and
Right.
it should be a feeling that goes both ways.
Yeah, that's true. So, guys, that was a small talk about love. Love each other. That's very important. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, of course, and follow our channel. Follow our Telegram and Instagram as well. You will find a lot of useful things there too. Thank you very much once again, and see you later. Bye!
Bye!
Does having a lot of money make someone more attractive? Hi everyone!
Hi!
Today we are going to talk about money and share with you some good vocabulary from this topic. More words and phrases you can find in PDF below in the description. Follow our podcasts on Yandex Music and iTunes. For more new dialogues, subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So Anna, how important is money to you?
I would love to say that money is not important to me, but it would be a lie.
Right.
In our life, it's extremely important.
Yeah, right. Is money really the root of all evil? What do you
I
think?
think it is. Short answer.
Yeah, I think so too. Can money buy happiness?
No, I think money can't buy happiness. You might have a lot of money and be absolutely unhappy at the same time.
Right.
But money makes our life better, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's true. How often do you worry about money?
Every time when I don't have enough money. Sometimes it happens, of course.
Okay. What's the largest amount of money you have ever had in your wallet?
I don't know really. Not much, I think.
Does having a lot of money make someone more attractive?
I think it doesn't. More important is what a person is like.
Yeah, what kind of person
Yeah.
is that? Right. Have you ever lost a lot of money?
No, I haven't. Hope I will never lose a lot of money.
Yeah, I hope so too. How much pocket money should a 13-year-old get?
I think not much. Otherwise, kids get spoiled. It's not very good, you know.
Yeah, good point. Do you ever run out of money?
You know, I try to control my budget all the time, so no, I never run out of money.
Yeah, I think it's very important to control
And
budget.
have you?
Yeah,
Anyway.
right.
So, Renat, what comes into your head when you hear the word money?
A lot of different things. Money is something we can't survive without.
Oh, okay. How important is money?
It's pretty important, of course.
Yeah.
I can't say that it's the most important thing, but anyway.
Okay. How attractive are people with lots of money?
I don't think that money makes people attractive. People are different. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, no matter how much money they have.
Oh, okay, good point. What would life be like without money?
People would be more or less equal in their living standards.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, it is something that is not going to come true, of course.
Okay.
It's like living in communism, you know. Yeah,
Yeah.
will never happen.
Yeah. How often do you think about money?
I don't know. Maybe every time when I need to buy something.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty often, actually.
Yeah, me too. What does the expression money doesn't grow on trees mean?
It means that people have to work in order to earn money. It doesn't grow on trees. So
How would the world be different if all the money was shared out equally among all people?
it's a good question.
Yeah.
I think that the world would be more peaceful without any wars. There would be no rich people, but everyone in the world could have enough food and other most important things for living. So, yeah, but I don't believe in the world like that,
Yeah,
to be
it's
honest.
like fairy tale.
Yeah.
What's the best way of making a lot of money?
To own a factory or something.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, but I don't think that making a lot of money is the most important thing in life. If someone earns a lot, there is another one who is starving. So there should be a balance, I think. But
Vice versa.
yeah, it's easier said than done, you know. Rich people will never share their money with others.
Oh, okay, yeah. Have you ever raised money for charity?
No, I haven't. But from my point of view, it's the responsibility of the government. If there are too many charity organizations in the country, it's a bad sign actually. It means that the government is not good enough.
And
So-
doesn't take care about.
Yeah, it doesn't take care about poor people. So, but that's my opinion.
Okay.
I might be wrong, of course.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you very much for watching. That was a small talk about money. More words and phrases about money you can find in our PDF below in the description. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, of course, and follow our channel. Thank you very much once again, and see you later. Bye!
Bye.